What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate all you guys coming back. New video. I haven't posted in a while, guys. My bad. I just been MIA, to be honest. As you can see right now, we're walking, we're running, we're hiking. But yeah, so right now, I've been again on my weight loss journey for this past, dude, like this year. It's been like on my diet, I've been like strict as AF. What's it called? A couple months ago, like back last year, I was doing it, but it wasn't like this. 2025, guys, we're doing shit. We're doing shit this year. Make sure you guys make sure you guys are subscribed to this. There's every day I'm like hiking, like every single day, and people be like, nah, don't do that much, just do like 3-4 times a week, that's it. But I'm like, nah, I do it every day I come walking here. What is it, like 3.5 miles a day, which is not crazy, you know. But yeah, I do, like, I run, sometimes I jog, like I split it. I run, then I sprint, and then I run, and then I jog, and then I walk, like that. I mix it up. But yeah, just wanted to make this quick update video on, I'm making another YouTube channel, a part of this one. I'm doing like food reviews and like different reviews, like drinks, food, and I'm going all across California and United States, maybe push it, like, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing another YouTube channel. It's called Fresh Eats. I'm gonna link the channel in the bottom of the description here, so you guys could please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. Yeah, it's pretty soon. My first video will be out soon. I'm just waiting on some stuff that I'm buying, but pretty soon. Like, yeah, I'm really excited for this channel too. But yeah, this channel is gonna be popping. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited about that. It's gonna be diabolical. But yeah, we're out here trying to lose 100 pounds. I'm all here with my sauna jacket. I got my pants, my sauna pants. We're burning calories up in here. But yeah, I'm in this video here. Just want to give you guys a little update of what's going on. I haven't forgot about you guys. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I'm doing a new YouTube channel. I'm still gonna be posting content here, but I just want to make a different channel for my my new YouTube channel, which is Fresh Eats. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing like food reviews, drinks, from different cities, states, and hopefully countries. But I got some stuff in mind I want to do, and like I said, I would really appreciate all you guys if you guys could please subscribe to that channel. I'm gonna link it in the bottom description. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video that I'll be posting pretty soon. Alright guys, see you guys.